The Dragon's Heartbeat, Unveiling the Spirit of China. Listen up, folks. You think you know China? Think again. This ain't your local takeout joint. This is the real deal, a sprawling land of contrasts, where ancient wisdom meets modern mayhem. We're talking towering skyscrapers casting shadows on centuries-old temples, bustling night markets hawking everything from silk pajamas to scorpion skewers. Yeah, you heard that right. China is a sensory overload. It's the smell of incense swirling through ancient temples. It's the deafening roar of 1,000 scooters zipping through the streets. It's the taste of fiery Sichuan hot pot that'll blow your mind, not your bowels, hopefully. Forget your preconceptions, your history books, your Instagram filters. This is about diving headfirst into the unknown. It's about getting lost in the labyrinthine alleys of ancient cities, about sharing a laugh, or a beer, with locals who welcome you with open arms. And trust me, there's a whole lot of China to get lost in. We're talking deserts, mountains, rivers, rice paddies, stretching as far as the eye can see. Every corner you turn, another story unfolds. The Great Wall, a testament to human endeavor. First up, the Great Wall. Yeah, you've seen the pictures, but trust me, nothing prepares you for the sheer scale of this thing. It's like a dragon's spine, snaking its way across the rugged landscape for thousands of miles. Standing atop those ancient stones, wind whipping through your hair, you can almost hear the echoes of history whispering in the wind. The Great Wall is more than just bricks and mortar. It's a testament to human ingenuity, to sweat and toil, to the rise and fall of empires. Imagine for a second the armies that marched along its ramparts, the battles fought, the lives lost and won. It's heavy stuff, man. But the wall ain't just about the past. Today, it's a pilgrimage site, a place where locals and tourists alike come to pay their respects, to soak up the history, to snap that perfect selfie. And who can blame them? It's pretty damn photogenic. Just remember, this ain't a theme park, so be respectful, don't litter, and try not to fall off. Xi'an, unveiling the Terracotta Army in ancient dynasties. Next stop, Xi'an. This ancient city was once the beating heart of imperial China, the start of the Silk Road, a melting pot of cultures and ideas. Today it's a fascinating blend of old and new. You can wander through ancient temples, haggle for souvenirs in bustling bazaars, or chow down on some of the best street food in China. But the real draw here is the Terracotta Army. Now, I'm not usually one for museums, but this place is different. Imagine an army of thousands, each soldier sculpted with unique features, frozen in time for over 2,000 years. It's like something out of Indiana Jones, except it's real. Standing in that vast pit, surrounded by those silent warriors, you can't help but feel a sense of awe. These are the faces of history, staring back at you across the millennia. It's a powerful reminder of the empires that rose and fell, of the lives lived and lost, all part of the grand tapestry of human existence. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try your hand at making your own miniature warrior. Just don't tell them I sent you. Guilin and Yangshuo, a painter's dream, a photographer's paradise. Now, if it's natural beauty you're after, then head south to Guilin and Yangshuo. This region is straight out of a Chinese scroll painting. Think mist-shrouded mountains, emerald green rivers, and those iconic karst formations that look like they were plucked straight from a dream. The best way to experience this landscape is by boat. Just kick back, crack open a cold one, or a hot tea, whatever floats your boat, and soak it all in. It's the kind of place that makes you want to ditch your phone, disconnect from the world, and just be present in the moment. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, you can rent a bike and explore the countryside. You'll pedal through rice paddies, past water buffalo, cooling off in the mud, and maybe even stumble upon a hidden village or two. Just be sure to pack your camera, because this is a place that begs to be photographed, or painted, or just etched into your memory forever. The Dragon's Soul, a journey for the senses. China, man. It's a trip that'll stay with you long after you've returned home. It's a place that'll challenge your perceptions, ignite your senses, and leave you forever changed. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, explore, get lost, and discover the heart of the dragon for yourself.